Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Brain Gap. Today's episode is going to be a deep dive into the mesmerizing world of 3D printing. We'll cover everything from the basics to the cutting-edge innovations shaping the future. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our tech explorations. Let's get started. All right, let's start at the beginning. What is 3D printing and how does it work? At its core, 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects layer by layer. It's like magic happening layer by layer to form tangible objects from digital models. There are various 3D printing technologies, each with its unique approach. Let's break down the most common ones. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, is accessible for enthusiasts, melting and depositing plastic layer by layer. Stereolithography, SLA, uses UV light to cure liquid resin into a solid form. Selective laser sintering, SLS, often used industrially, fuses powdered material with a laser. Now, let's talk materials. 3D printers can work with plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food. The versatility is astonishing. The applications are vast, from rapid prototyping and product design to customized medical implants. 3D printing is revolutionizing industries. In fact, it's even used in the culinary world to create intricate food designs. Now, that's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Selecting the right 3D printer is crucial for a successful printing experience. Factors like print size, resolution, and material compatibility can make a huge difference. Keep in mind your specific projects and budget constraints while considering factors like build volume, print speed, and the type of materials the printer supports. It's an exciting world out there, and the right 3D printer can unlock endless possibilities. Once you have your 3D printer, the next step is understanding the software that brings your creations to life. Slicing and modeling software are essential for turning digital designs into printable objects. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there are user-friendly options available for everyone. It's where your creativity takes shape. Like any tech, 3D printing can have challenges. You might encounter some common issues like layer shifting, adhesion problems, and stringing. It's important to find solutions for troubleshooting these issues and ensure your prints come out just the way you envision them. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the learning process, and with a bit of knowledge, you'll be able to tackle any issue that comes your way. Welcome to the realm of advanced 3D printing. This technique allows you to create intricate designs with multiple colors and material properties in a single print. It's a game changer for those seeking to add complexity and diversity to their creations. Whether you're designing functional prototypes or artistic pieces, multi-material 3D printing opens up new avenues for creativity. For those who crave the finest details in their prints, high-detail resin printing is the answer. From miniatures and jewelry to detailed prototypes, high-detail resin printing is a game-changer for projects that demand precision and intricacy. Now, let's shift our focus to the industrial side of 3D printing. Industries around the globe are adopting this technology for large-scale, high-precision projects. From creating complex components to rapid prototyping, industrial 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. 3D printing isn't just limited to small objects. From architectural models to full-scale prototypes, the possibilities are immense. Large-scale 3D printing is changing the landscape of construction, design, and manufacturing. Welcome to the future of 3D printing, where technology meets biology. Scientists are using 3D printing to create living tissues and organs, opening up new possibilities for medical treatments and transplants. 3D printers are shaping the future of healthcare and offering hope to those in need of life-saving treatments. As our world becomes more conscious of environmental impact, 3D printing is adapting with sustainable solutions. From recycled filaments to environmentally friendly printing processes, sustainable 3D printing is not only reducing waste, but also paving the way for a more eco-conscious future. The future of 3D printing is intertwined with the advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics. From autonomous 3D printers to AI-driven design optimization, the collaboration between AI and 3D printing is shaping a new era of possibilities. And there you have it, our journey through the captivating world of 3D printing. If you found this exploration fascinating, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of technology here on Brain Gap.